We are pleased to show you 2021 Q3. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, power brakes, rear fog light, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, touch-sensitive controls, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.